Hello world, Ducksellate. What is it? We're gonna find out. So in this game, the idea is to turn every duck to the right direction, like this. And left clicked to turn left, and right click to turn right. Now if a duck sees another duck that turns towards it, it will turn automatically as well. Now this duck is facing the left direction, and it's not gonna see this one turning, so it's not gonna turn automatically. There you go. The transformation to the duck side will be complete. Good. Everything that has transpired has done so according to my design. Anyways, so I'm just turning in the ducks here. Yeah, but as you can imagine, sometimes the automatic turn behavior could be very helpful, but sometimes it could be a hindrance. There you go. Oh no, look, it's a cluster duck. It's actually easier than it looks. So what you want to do is look for those small groups that have a lot of ducks facing the center, like this, and then you turn the one next to it to break them up. It's gonna trigger a huge chain reaction, and you want to break them up as quickly as you can. Let's see. This one is good. I think this one. Yeah, we should be good. I don't see any more small groups in the middle. So as you can see, we already extracted order from chaos. Now it's a matter of turning those near the edges that are facing outwards towards the right direction, like that. Gonna just real quick fix the ones in the middle. Okay, turn those. Turn this one. It's gonna trigger a pretty huge chain reaction here. Just gonna wait until it finishes. Turn those on the edges to face the direction. Yeah, as you can see, we're about halfway there. Just gonna keep doing what I've been doing. Just gonna fix the ones near the edges that are facing outwards, and then just rely on the automatic turn behavior to have the ducks correct themselves in the middle, like that. There you go. Incredible, the ducks are tessellated. That's why it's called Ducksellate. Anyways, you can go back to the main menu, and this is gonna unlock the credit section, which I won't be showing right now. Also, once you beat the game, you'll be able to skip any levels until you get to the last level, so that you can play any level if you wish. There you go, Ducksellate. Thanks for checking it out.